Hi everyone, it's Amber and welcome to my YouTube channel, Amber Goodwin Art, and a very big welcome to anyone who is joining us today for our bi-weekly Pouring Coast to Coast collaboration with my girls Britt Clayton Design, Taneva Baker Martin Art, and Michelle Galley from Grateful Creations. This time around, it was Britta's turn to choose our challenge, and she challenged us by doing a funnel pour or an open cup technique. I have never done any of these techniques before. I've watched a lot of artists like Molly Artistry and Olga Sobi do them, along with tons of other pour artists that I see online, but I myself have never ever tried this technique. It was a huge trial and error, but in the end, I feel like I got a decent result. So let's go ahead and see what I created. Here are all of my colors that I will be using in my first ever funnel ripple pour. I have some teal and turquoise mixed together, followed by ultramarine blue. The order that you're seeing right now that I'm going in is the order that I will pour my paints in the funnel. I have some titanium white, followed by cobalt violet, and there's my consistency. Next, I have quinacridone magenta mixed with some caput mortem violet. I'm going for a medium consistency, so all of my paints are mixed with Floetrol and Liquitex and some water to get that medium consistency. And there is some precious gold, and last but not least, I am using permanent red purple. So these are all of my colors. I decided to do this on a 10 by 10 inch canvas, and I was going to use my medium sized funnel. And this came actually in a set of 3 from Amazon. There's the packaging. I'll have the link down below, and it comes in 3 sizes. But I ended up doing a larger canvas instead of this 10 by 10 inch. I decided to do a 16 by 16 inch canvas. And I also mixed some base paint. So this is carbon black. This will just be used as a base. It will not be layered in my funnel. And here is my 16 by 16 inch canvas that I have on my Jessica Winterstrom jumbo spinner. And this is the large funnel size that I will basically have in the center and go in a up and down motion gently, not too high, not too low, to release the paint. So next I will show y'all how I layered all of my colors. Here is the wet result of my funnel ripple pour. I feel like it turned out okay. I love the cell reaction that I got. I did not use any silicone in this, and I still got the amazing cell reaction from the gold. And I just love the colors. It has a really fun, spacey, galaxy feel. And next I will have the dried varnished results. Here is the dried varnished result of my funnel ripple pour. I believe it turned out okay. I think it turned out okay. I wish my lines from the ripple were a little bit straighter, but I think for my first time, it's not so bad. And also, I really love the cell reaction that I got from the gold without using any silicone or Australian Floetrol. So this was just the reaction from the US Floetrol, the Liquitex pouring medium, and the precious gold metallic paint. Here is another view. And guys, be sure if you haven't checked out all of the other ladies' videos, definitely go check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to our channels. We really appreciate it. And yeah, there you have it, guys. Let me know what y'all think. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what y'all thought about my funnel ripple pour. Again, it was so much fun. I almost gave up, but it was a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to do another one in some different colors. I learned a lot throughout the process, and I actually went back to my Smart Art courses, the A to Z Acrylic Pouring by Olga Sobey, Molly, and Rinska, where Olga actually did demonstrate a ripple funnel pour. So it was absolutely amazing. Britta, I love the challenge, and make sure y'all join us next time within 2 weeks. And don't forget to go like, subscribe, and share to everybody's channel. Until next time, guys, have a great weekend. Bye.